Dear friends, welcome back to CSS tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to use now inline CSS. Instead of internal or external, we are going to use inline CSS. Inline CSS, right? So remember in the previous lessons, we learned how to use internal and external CSS in a HTML page. So now we're going to use inline. And remember what we learned in the last lesson was about this. We just create the file and we called it CSS, and now we link this file with this HTML page using this link. So, and we got this result. You see, this is what we got in the previous lesson. And now what we are going to do is just to cut off this link and we create CSS inside the HTML element or tags, right? So for example here, instead of come here and write body things like this, we're going to just use this body tag here, and using inline CSS we'll use style tag with background, which is like, let us give it green color or gray, let us gray or green yellow. This one, this is how we create inline CSS. We just implement it inside the tags or HTML element. So now remember, for paragraph we just created background color, which is black. We can change it. Let us also, we have to use a style tag, background color. But here it's different from body. Here we have to use background color instead of just background. We have to use the background color, which is, we can now give it color looks like red like this, and also we can create color which is like yellow. For example, let us give it yellow as a color, or for color, right? As for color, background red and for color yellow. So the same like this one below. Let us copy this style CSS and then come here, paste them here, also here like this. You see, this is what you call inline. You see, all implemented inside the tags or HTML elements. Instead of implement them here in head or in another file, we just implement it inside the specific tags, right? So this is the good way when we want to give the element specific style, which is specified to that element. But when you need to styling the whole HTML pages, just the external is working well because it saves time. You can styling different pages at the same time. So, but as you see inline, we have to styling line by line. So this is how you can use it. Let me save it and refresh our page. Once we refresh our page, you see now it's changed, right? So this is background color red with color, which is yellow, right? Let me zoom it and show you how looks like. And background color of all page is green, as written here, right? Is green yellow, like mixture of green and yellow colors, as you see on an output, right? So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can use inline CSS. Keep watching and share these videos, and please don't miss subscribe. And let me see you in next video where we will see online CSS. Thank you. See you in next one.